All right, how's it going? We hit up Gold Mountain the other day, 3N69. We were able to hit the new gatekeeper. It's pretty cool. First time going up. I was having charging issues the week prior, so I have my alternator stuff it's all working for me now. So this was kind of like a test run for me. On my CJ, I'm running 37s. I'm locked front and rear. My buddy, on his FJ, he's running equivalent to 33s. He's locked in the rear. He has a limited slip up front. Anyway, so we hit the gatekeeper. It was I went through it. My buddy tried, but then he's driving across country, so he didn't want to break down and be stuck down here in California. So we hit that. We did the second. We did the first waterfall. No real issues. I'm driving a stick shift, so I stalled one time. One thing that I need to fix on my CJ is my transmission. Sometimes if I go from reverse back to first gear, it pops out of gear sometimes. I'm running a Muncie 465 from an old, I think it was like a 78 truck I got it from. So I have to get that, try to work the bugs on that out. So sometimes when I'm shifting, I have to do real slow. I get some little grinding. But anyway, besides that, the second obstacle we had the most challenges on. It was kind of icy over there. I have me recorded on it. I wasn't able to get my buddy on it. But anyway, we made it through there. Once we did that, everything else was pretty smooth. There was snow on the back end, and we had a good time. So if you like to watch off-roading, we're not some kind of pros. We're just some guys out there having fun off-roading. Anyway, peace and amigo. Original gatekeeper from back in the day. We're gonna try to I'll try a different line today. You can see it's been dug out pretty good over here. We just had a snow, maybe I think last week it snowed, so the area, it's always, every time I come it's different here. So trying to debate which way we're gonna head up. I never taken the CJ up the far left. Most time I come up the middle here, but we'll see how we'll do today. It's a gorgeous day up here. Sun is out. It's actually warm.
Big Bear Ski Resort in the background.
Big Bear Ski Resort. That's that's I think Bear Mountain there.
Oh, is that Bear Mountain?
Anyway, we're gonna try this out.
Bobby Bob's taking the hard line. Bobby, both tires are on that rock, so I don't know if you want your passenger on the side.
Go past the board? Oh, is he saying back up?
Yeah.
Straight back?
Yeah. You're gonna drop, driver, yeah. Yeah, back up a little more. Okay, now passenger. Yep. Oh. Your diff's on that boulder. Come more passenger. Okay. Passenger. Get that tire on there, yep. It's gonna tip. It's a tall rock. Yep. Yep.
Try to get that clutch. All right, I'm still trying to get to know the capabilities of my Jeep. I got my both tires up there, and I got a little chicken a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But ain't no shame in that. Still made it. It's bigger than it looks, and once you get up there, it feels very off camber. My JKU feels a lot more stable than this did. Anyway, we're back at it. That's good. Yeah, perfect. Straight up. Try going driver just a tad. Just a little bit. Just a tad. Right there. Good. Perfect. Eric, back up a little bit and bump it. Just a small bump. Right there. Now give it. Try bumping it forward. There you go. Okay, hold up. Let me see. Okay, try coming forward slow. You're fine. You're good. Perfect. Not as of now, no, you're good. Perfect. See. Okay, your back is turtling a little bit. You could probably bump up, back up maybe 2 inches. I think you could bump it up. Yeah, you have to back up. Your rear control arm's hitting. Try bumping it from there. There you go. Perfect. You're clear. All right. I'm trying to get video and record. My skills aren't the best. All right, we're at the second obstacle. If you ever come on the trail, please don't go that way. Right, that's a legal bypass. Right, stay away from over there. We want to keep this trail open, right? It's a little icy. We're gonna see how it does. I've never been on this trail with any kind of ice or snow, so we'll see how we do. I'm gonna do my same little path. I like coming up this little notch right here, my driver's side. Some people like coming up this left, but I don't like how they feel, like off cambery feeling. But I've always done it right here. Either put a driver on this rock right here, or I come straight up there. So we'll see what we can do. Coming up here, it's not too icy right now. Can't imagine coming here with ice and snow though. That could be sketchy. And a reminder, my peoples, please pack out what you pack in. Even if it's not yours, you see some trash, just throw it away. Right, I know it's COVID time right now. Wash my hands, wake it back in the Jeep, but we want to keep our trails clean. All right, we'll see how we do.
If you go back down and come more on driver side, because you got a big rock over on your passenger front tire. Driver from there. You don't even need to reverse, just go driver. Hard driver. Okay, pass the dirt. Yep. Passenger. Oh. Need to get your passenger tire over more. Okay. But okay, passenger. Yep. Keep going.
Cut driver. Yeah, try that right there. No, we need more rock. It's getting more challenging, this spot over here. It's a little icy. My tires slip right off of this thing here, but let's see what we can do. Just to get up here. Try there. Yeah. I can't record and spot at the same time very well. Okay, back up, driver. More, okay, driver, hard passenger. Try that. Back up, passenger again. You're sliding off the rock. A little more. Now hard driver. Try that. There you go. Keep going. There you go. Driver. You're on the tree. There you go. Good job, good job.